Hey, Bonita National fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property again at Bonita National. Today we're going to preview the Bromelia floor plan. They have two inventory homes available right now at some great prices. I'm going to show you the downstairs unit here in this first video, follow up with a secondary video of the second floor unit. The Bromelia here is part of the Veranda line of homes. There's 12 units per building, 2 stories in the building. Each of these units comes with a one-car detached garage, as you're seeing here on the left-hand side. Got this beautiful pavered walkway leading up to your unit. And here you see where the detached garage sit. You do have entry directly through the back. So for this first unit, which is 4712, that's your door for your garage right here. And then this is the entry. So this unit here is 1,355 square foot under air, 2 bedrooms with a den. You have 2 lanai spaces, so you have this awesome space up front that you can utilize, as well as on the back. Plus you have these sliding glass doors here that lead directly into your kitchen area. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. So you walk in and you have a guest bedroom that's going to be directly to our left-hand side here. So this is the first of your 2 bedrooms. You can see they come with ceiling fan and light packages already. And then you have the bifold doors here for your closet. And then just off the first guest bedroom here are the washer and dryer. Right here, you get a full appliance package with these Condo products at Lennar. The washer and dryer is included. And then also you have the guest bath here as well. Now directly on the other side of the guest bath is the kitchen area. So here's your eat-in kitchen space right here. You have 2 pantry closets, lots of storage space there. Again, there's the sliding glass doors leading out front. And then this is your view here in the kitchen. Granite countertops, full stainless appliance package, wood cabinets. The downstairs unit here in the Bromelia plan has this nice tray ceiling with the backlit lighting there behind the crown molding. And you look out onto all of your living space here directly from the kitchen. You get a glimpse of the dry bar there as well. These are all GE appliances, by the way. Now coming in, this floor plan has a den smack dab in between the master bedroom and the guest bedroom. There's pocket doors here so you can close that off. Great little feature. Plenty of space here for either a 3rd bed option or make it a flex space with some type of pull out or even Murphy bed type of an arrangement. And here's your great room area here, right underneath this chandelier. This is really designed for your dining table. Plenty of room here to put some bar stools at the kitchen. And then this overlooks, you have hole number 9 here. It's a western exposure, so you get the sunset views from your back lanai here. It's about 5:45 p.m. You can see the sun setting just beyond the coach homes there, and you have a view of the fairway here on hole number 9. Now coming back inside, we'll hit the master suite here. Plenty of space in the master for a nice king-size bed. Nice window overlooking the golf course and also the sunset in the background. You have 2 closets here. Dual sinks. And then also you have your glass enclosed shower. And right on the other side here, your commode. So this is the Bromelia building 47. The specific unit number is 4712. List price on this unit is $270,198. Lennar's offering some great discounts right now, at least $6,000 off the listed price. Give me a call, and I'm sure there's a little bit more juice from the fruit that I can help you squeeze out of this. We can get you a great price on this unit here at Bonita National. For all the information that you need, you can visit bonitanationalcc.com. You can also email me, Roberto at bonitanationalcc.com, or call 239-671-4046. That's 239-671-4046. For all your Lennar products, I am your specialist. Subscribe below, guys. We'll talk soon.